Hey, you. I got a question for you. Do you love to travel? Do you love adventure? Do you love dealing with people? Are you ready for a new, fresh outlook on life and your career? Are you ready for a change? Are you ready to step into something so unique, so much fun, and so rewarding? Have you ever thought about getting into the travel industry? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Melissa Mackey. I am the CEO and founder of Travel Chicks. I have been in the travel business for well over 13 years now. And in the 13 years, I have had the opportunity to work with hundreds of entrepreneurs all over the world, teaching, training, educating, and most of all, empowering. And I want to invite you, if you are looking for a career change, we are on the hunt for some key people to join our Travel Chicks team. What does this mean for you? Well, make sure to reserve the date to attend our live training where I'm going to talk about what you need to succeed in the travel industry, what is required, and yes, my friends, there is an investment simply because you got me teaching you the tricks of the trade, how to be successful, what you need to do. I am going to teach you what it takes to run a successful business in the world of travel and, of course, social media. And if you're not on social media yet, or if that freaks you out, well, that could be a good thing. But I got to tell you, social media is definitely where you are going to thrive in the travel business. So if you are looking for a career change, up for adventure, love to travel, and love dealing with people, this is for you. It is a completely free training. And if you decide that you want to join the Travel Chicks team, there is a small investment, but that investment you can make up in one booking alone. So I invite you, register at the link below or above and join us. This is an industry that really has the power to transform lives, create a sustainable income for you and your family on your terms. It creates flexibility and it creates freedom. And I got to tell you this, many people right now are going through a massive career transition. They have been working for companies for 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years, and they're getting cut. They're getting laid off. And so nothing these days is sustainable. But one thing I do know that is sustainable is anybody, no matter what the economy is doing, will still find money to travel. So if this sounds like you or somebody you know, make sure to tag them in the comments, share this video, and we'll see you soon.